How would you like to be able to create pro-level videos, edit and publish them within the next 2 minutes? Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could have your very own video editor that enables you to finally create the dream video course or YouTube vlog that you've always wanted. But it also comes with a commercial license so you can sell videos to other people? Imagine that! You've probably seen a lot of video makers and editors. You've surely heard of Camtasia, Final Cut Pro X, Sony Vegas, or Adobe Premiere. Those are all fantastic video editors, and they work at letting creators publish incredible videos to make money from YouTube with those catchy thumbnails, to package videos as their own course and sell online on places like Udemy, or to offer video creation services for local businesses for as much as $1,000 a video, and in some cases even more. The only problem, all existing video editors cost hundreds of dollars each, and even worse than that, they are impossible to understand by a newbie. This has led to only gurus and big companies being able to compete in the $33 billion video marketing industry, while regular folks like you are left out. Until today, because we are introducing the first ever AI-based video editor that's easy to use for anyone. It's ProfitVideo, and ProfitVideo is the ultimate video creator and editor. It's fully in the cloud, it's simple to use, and lets you do everything from screen capture, recording, editing, annotating, filters, thumbnails, and much more. You get the point. What it's not a complex piece of software. There's no learning curve, and it does not cost $100 or more. In fact, just a mere fraction of that. Use ProfitVideo to create your dream video training course that you've been, postponing forever now. Local marketing videos for businesses on places like Fiverr. Flashy YouTube videos like the biggest vloggers do. Demo and sales videos for your products or for others. Creating a video has never been easier. Step 1 is to log into the cloud interface. Step 2 is to use the built-in screen recorder, camera, or microphone, or a combination of both. And step 3 is to make your edits and add in some music, annotations, filters, transitions, crops, cuts, anything, and it's drag and drop. It's AI-based and only takes 1 click to publish. Yes, it's that easy. The best part, commercial license is included right into ProfitVideo. That means you could use it for yourself, but also start a thriving passive business by creating and editing videos for others and letting the software do the work for you. There are a few moments in our lives where we are faced with a huge opportunity that can truly change who we are, and this is one of those moments. Plain and simple, ProfitVideo gives you a direct line to the $33 billion video marketing industry and to billions of people that you can finally reach with the push of a button. This is the new era in video marketing. This is your chance to be one of the first people ever to take advantage of it. It's truly an unprecedented opportunity at an unprecedented price, so don't let it slip away. Hurry right now and click the buy button below to get access to ProfitVideo during this early bird pricing and get this brand new video platform with lifetime access. We are excited to step into this new era of video marketing together with you. Welcome to ProfitVideo.
Video created with ProfitVideo. And I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to edit videos with ProfitVideo. So let's just dive right in. So after logging in, we're heading to Video Maker, and here we have all of our videos. And here we can see the exact video we just saw. Here it is. Now, let's quickly play around with it. So we're going to place it in our clipboard where we're going to do all of the editing. As with any video editor, I can place several videos in the clipboard and join them. But we're just going to focus on this one for now. So you have a bunch of options. You can add subtitles, you can add text, we can add a watermark. For example, we can edit wherever we want. And using this drag and drop timeline editor, you can also select how long the watermark should last. What's more, you can also select a certain section of a video. So for example, if I'm going to choose these first 10 seconds and I'm going to just cut them here, you'll be able to see the whole video now has 10 seconds. We can also do this for several other things. We can add different filters and we can just give it some contrast. And you can see this image has a crisper quality. You can also crop. So for example, if I don't like that logo, I can just crop it out. Got a little bit more there. And so much more. You can rotate, and that gives so many possibilities for editing your videos and doing anything you want in this web app video editor. After editing the video and doing everything you like to it, just create video, let it process for a bit, and after that we just select a name, something like ProfitVideo demo, and we can select different sizes, the quality. I'm going to set it as high, going to do it as full HD. We can select different formats and then also different ratios. If you have any audio files, you'll be able to choose a background audio. You can even select some text on video that you can add afterwards. Once you're done with everything, just click create. And if we go to check inside our home, we'll be able to see the video exactly like we edited it. And we see it with everything we did, even with the filter, if we rotated it, everything else. What's more, you can even record your screen, so you don't need anything else apart from ProfitVideo. You can record your screen, drop it directly into the video maker, edit your video and upload it to YouTube or wherever you need it to be. It's as easy as just start screen record, we select what we want. I'm just going to record my entire screen. Allow, and it starts showing right here. And if I click on stop recording, I'm going to give it a file name, demo, and I'm going to save it. And I'm also going to be able to see it right here to see exactly what I did during this screen record session. You can even open up your camera so as to record yourself and have a cool presentation. So if you want to be a professional editor for a low one-time fee, grab ProfitVideo right now and I will see you inside.